In a world rapidly shaped by advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning, the need for powerful computational resources is ever growing. Ever wondered how you could turn your idle GPU into a money-making machine? Welcome to TensorNet, where we do more than just meeting the growing demand for computational power. We revolutionize its supply by transforming GPU utilization into a highly profitable venture. Introducing Neural Core and Tensor Core, our dual platforms that stand at the forefront of decentralized AI computing. Here, we empower AI innovators from various organizations and node providers to harness the full potential of AI and blockchain technology. Neural Core allows developers to easily build, train and deploy machine learning models using our advanced plug-and-play inference API. It's secure, scalable, and designed to transform your innovative ideas into reality, efficiently and effectively. Meanwhile, Tensor Core serves as the backbone of this ecosystem, where node providers with idle GPU resources can connect to our platform targeting a specific market of developers engaged in AI and ML projects. This approach not only maximizes resource efficiency, but also perfectly matches the needs of end users. Node providers' benefits. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, node providers receive immediate compensation in Ethereum when they contribute their computing power to the network. This provides an instant incentive for quick and reliable participation. Secondly, node providers earn rewards in TNET tokens, distributed through a revenue-sharing pool. This pool is supported by a buyback mechanism that enhances the token's value and market demand. Third, participants can stake their TNET tokens to earn staking rewards paid out in Ethereum. This encourages long-term holding and network stability. Next, we have proportional revenue sharing. Node providers earn a share of the revenue generated from AI workloads hosted on our cloud compute platform. Payouts are calculated based on the provider's computing power and system uptime, ensuring fair compensation. Integration of Neural Core and Tensor Core. Neural Core is a gateway to get access to ecosystem where the power of GPU computation is harnessed from the node operators of Tensor Core. These operators, with their spare GPU resources lying idle, contribute to the Neural Core platform and in return earn a share of the revenue generated. Now you might wonder, how does this revenue sharing work? It's simple. It is all about demand and supply of computation power. The demand for AI and ML model computations generate revenue for the Neural Core platform. For instance, if the Neural Core platform generates $100,000 in revenue from computations in a month, this revenue is shared among the node operators on Tensor Core, who have contributed their unused GPU resources. The supply side of the equation is the number of node operators. The more the node operators, the more the computational power available for the Neural Core platform. As a result, more AI/ML model computations can be performed, monetizing AI models and future opportunities. But the revenue generation doesn't stop with the computations. Our platform also enables developers and organizations to monetize their AI models by exposing them as APIs to external clients. Integrated into platform's infrastructure for easy deployment and management, users can create, train, and deploy AI models as API endpoints. Platform's infrastructure automatically scales resources based on demand. External clients can access and make requests to API endpoint, paying a fee to access the models. Attractive to users with high-performance AI models for real-world applications, Platform's revenue-sharing mechanism distributes a portion of this revenue to the user based on usage and performance through a revenue-sharing pool. Additionally, our subscription service, Nexus, offers tailored access to AI assistant and automated workflows for businesses and enterprises, providing consistent revenue through subscription-based model. Revenue-sharing distribution. The distribution of TensorNet's overall revenue is allocated to a revenue-sharing pool. 60% of this goes to the node operators for providing compute resources. 30% covers team and maintenance costs, and remaining 10% is dedicated to improve the platform's marketplace, adding new features, and attracting more AI innovators. From instant ETH payments and TNET token rewards to profit sharing through staking and superior investment incentives, TensorNet is crafting a future where technology uplifts everyone involved. Join us at TensorNet, become a node operator, engage with the Neural Core platform, or explore the possibilities with Nexus. Together, we'll power a new reality where innovation is boundless and the rewards are substantial. Reimagine the world with TensorNet.